Good evening, everyone. Magandang gabi. Tonight is Tuesday night and we have another set of Tagalog phrases for our Learning Tagalog videos. Good, mabuti, mahusay, or magaling. For example, if you ask me, how am I doing or how am I, kumusta ako, I would say, I'm good, or mabuti ako, mabuti. But if you wanna tell someone that they're really good at something, if you wanna say you're really good at that, it's much more appropriate for you to say, magaling ka talaga dyan, or mahusay ka talaga dyan. So good, it's either mabuti, mahusay, or magaling. Oh, really? In Tagalog? Oh, talaga? Oh, talaga? If someone is taking too long and you're getting bored, and you wanna say, it's taking too long, you say, ang tagal naman. Ang tagal naman. Ang tagal naman. It's taking too long. And get out, like for example, you wanna say, get out of my room, get out, you say, labas. Labas. Or get out. Labas. Okay, everyone, it's about 9:30. Let's do a review before I say bye-bye and before I watch my favorite Tagalog shows. We have good. That means mabuti, or it could either mean mahusay or magaling. We have, if you wanna say it's taking too long, you say ang tagal naman. Ang tagal naman. And get out, labas. Labas. Or you say, lumabas ka. And last one, oh really? Oh really? Oh, talaga? Oh, talaga? Okay, that's it for tonight. Bye-bye and good night.